Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to reduce debt with Experian debt management tool. So if you've been wondering how to get this done, this video is for you. I'm going to show you how to do it. It's going to be a really quick video. Let's not waste any more time. Let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to log into your Experian account. Now you can log into the Experian on the website, or you can do that on the mobile app. Now once you're logged into your account, you just want to click on the debt management, and that's going to enable you to access the debt management tools, and there you can make use of the tools. You can also create a debt reduction plan, so you can create that using Experian debt management tools, and you can go ahead and check out a couple of other tools that are available for you to use. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to reduce debt with Experian debt management tools. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.